Well, good morning. Glad to see you back. As you can tell, I'm not in my motor home today. I am still at the Sticks and Bricks location as it has yet to sell, but I'm confident that in no time at all I'll be on the road. So I'd like to take a moment today before we get the video started and wish all of the mothers out there a wonderful and happy Mother's Day. And I hope that you get time to spend some of the day today with those that made you a mother. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get today's video started. Okay, today, and greetings Earthlings, today I would like to talk about the choice I made when changing my AGM batteries over to lithium batteries. I did an awful lot of research. I looked at so many YouTube videos, and it seems like there is a lot of opinions out there, but most of those opinions pointed to battle-born batteries, but at the same time I noticed most of those opinions were also sponsored by battle-born batteries. So if you've done any research at all, if you've looked into replacing your AGMs or lead acid batteries with lithiums, then you know it's a major undertaking and a major expense. So to do the project that you see in front of you, that's 8 100 amp lithium batteries. To do that with battle-born batteries at the time that I was making this changeover would have cost me over $6,000. The battle-born batteries were running about $750 a piece at that time. I don't know what they are right now. I haven't looked in a while because I bought batteries. So, but these batteries are made by a company called EcoWorthy. It cost me less than, well, right about half of what the battle-borns would have cost me. They have the same amp hours as the 100 amp battle-borns. They have the internal BMS just like the battle-borns. They produce the same voltage as the battle-borns. The only difference is $3,000 for the same thing. Now, battle-born has a flashy wrapper, as many others do. This one has pretty much just a basic orange wrapper, but it has the information that you need on the wrapper. So if you don't know how to set your controllers and things of that nature, it comes with a little booklet, but it also has the information stamped right on the side of the battery. So in case you lose your little booklet, it's right there. So I guess full disclosure, I should say that I did not receive any sponsorship money or any discount on the batteries or anything like that. However, after buying the batteries and having no stipulations on the batteries at all, I was contacted by EcoWorthy, and they asked if I would be willing to test out their battery monitor. Basically, they were coming out with a new design of a battery monitor, and I asked if I would be willing to install it, try it out for a while, and fill out their survey and send it back to them, which I agreed to do. They sent me the monitor, which I'll show you that in a minute. I haven't used it a whole lot because I don't do a whole lot of boondocking. So, in fact, I've still got two Bouge rolled out solar panels that I haven't installed yet. So, so I'm a huge procrastinator when it comes to stuff like that. But I just wanted to point out, in my opinion, and not to say anything bad about Battleborn, because apparently they make a very great product. Many people are satisfied with it, and overly satisfied with it. They do a lot of work with, you know, full-time RVers, with sponsorships and stuff like that. So, you know, they're a great company. But for me, just getting started, and going into retirement, where I will be operating on a very minimal income, I really couldn't afford to be spending that kind of money for something I could get by with spending half. So $3,000 is quite enough for batteries that most likely are going to be used very little. So I guess it's a matter of weigh out your condition, how much you're going to be using them and things of that nature. And if you feel more comfortable with the Battleborn, by all means, you know, go with the Battleborn. But for my experience, this does the same thing. I did I did stress test it one time when I neglected to turn off my electric element in the aqua hot, and as it turns out, that they will go for most of a day with a load like that, but they will not go overnight. So the next morning when I when I went to get in, I couldn't even open the door. So it had drained them down to the point where they shut down. But I was able to get it back up, turn my element off in no time at all. They were back up to 100%. So just information that's good to know, and hopefully someone will get a little something out of it. And let's go inside now and see what we can. I'll show you the controller that they sent. It seems like a pretty nice deal, a nice compact little piece of equipment. So let's go take a look. Okay, I guess you can probably see it from there, but I'm gonna fix that. I'll pull you over and give you a better look. But this device right here is the battery monitor. As you can see, it's blacked out right now. Let's get you a little closer so we can get you a better look. Now we're handheld, so bear with me. Okay, this is the unit itself. As you can see, it's blacked out until you push the button. Then it lights up. It gives you your voltage, current voltage, your amp draw, your watts being used, and it gives you your percentage of the battery that's charged, how long it's going to take to charge. I don't know why that says 99 hours. It's at 100%, but you know, that's what we're looking at as far as finding out what's going on. But this is your home screen. You've got a favorite screen here. Gives you can set up different aspects to be your favorite screen, so you can just touch that. You got your settings over here. You can go in, program your maximum voltage, tell it how many amp hours that you have, how many hall sensors you have. This uses a hall sensor that monitors the cables going to the inverter. So it will monitor in both directions. It'll tell you it's got a amp draw of, you know, -6, or if when it's charging it might say +10 or somewhere in that area, but it tells you which direction the current is flowing as well. So this is a new product for EcoWorthy, an upgrade. I think they had one similar prior to this one, but they made some changes, made some improvements. This one seems to be pretty neat. I like it so far, but like I said, all fairness, I haven't really had an opportunity to use it much because I don't do a whole lot of boondocking. So anyway, that is available now, and I would say I'll put a link in the description, but I don't have a link because it's one of them deals where I didn't buy it. They sent it to me, so that's where we're at. So hopefully you get a little something out of this video. And we'll put you back over here where the star can be on screen. And get that closed up. So again, all you mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. I hope you have a wonderful day. And thank you so much for dropping in and taking another look at one of my videos. I would appreciate it if you take the time to like and subscribe. But if it's not for you, I completely understand. But one of these days, I want to be rich and famous on YouTube, and you can help. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. And remember, when camping, take only photos Leave only footprints.